Welcome to this instructional guide for the Micron MH5 machine number 12 grommet die change and cutting pressure adjustment. Follow these step-by-step instructions carefully to ensure smooth operation and optimal performance. Step 1. Preparing for die installation. Before installing the number 12 grommet dies, disconnect the air supply and ensure the machine is turned off. First, install the upper die. Make sure the side screws on the upper die are not protruding inward, as this can make installation difficult. Check that the spring pins inside the upper die are in place, and align the die with the holes on the machine shaft. Secure the upper die by tightening the side screws properly. Step 2. Installing the lower die. Before placing the lower die, ensure the die socket is clean. Position the lower die so that the holes align with the screws in a crisscross pattern, then tighten it securely. Step 3. Adjusting the cutting pressure. Since the machine was previously set up for SMGW number 3 grommet, the cutting pressure is too low for number 12 grommets, which have a larger inner diameter. To increase the cutting pressure, loosen the nut on the adjustment screw. Turn on the machine. Tighten the upper adjustment screw clockwise while running the machine in idle mode. Carefully observe the machine head moving downward, ensuring it does not stop too early. Step 4. Fine-tuning the machine power. If the machine head does not fully descend, adjust the power settings on the digital control panel located on the electrical box under the table. Use the arrow buttons on the digital panel to slightly increase the machine pressure. Test the machine again to ensure the head fully descends and the grommet setting operation is successful. Once the correct setting is achieved, tighten the nut on the adjustment screw to lock the cutting pressure. Step 5. Testing the cutting operation. Before installing grommets, press the foot pedal or finger switch to test the cutting process on a fabric sample. If the fabric is cleanly cut, the setup is successful, and you can proceed with grommet setting. Step 6. Setting the number 12 grommet. Place the washer into the lower die and the grommet into the upper die. Align the fabric in the middle and press down firmly. Use either the finger switch or foot pedal to set the grommet. If needed, you can use the measurement stick feature to ensure precise placement without marking the fabric manually. By following these steps, you can ensure accurate cutting and secure grommet application. Thank you for watching. For more information or support, feel free to reach out to us. Micron America. Quality is our priority.